Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a comprehensive review of Odoo CRM in 2025. So, if you're looking for a customer relationship management solution, Odoo might be on your radar. Well, we'll cover its pros, cons, pricing, features and whether it's the right choice for your business. So let's get started. So Odoo CRM is part of the larger Odoo suite, a modular business management software that includes everything from accounting to inventory. The CRM is designed to help businesses manage their customer interactions, sale pipelines, and data in one platform. With a reputation for flexibility and customization, Odoo is popular among small to medium businesses that need a comprehensive, scalable CRM solution. Let's start with the pros. So, Odoo's biggest strength is its customization. You can tailor the CRM to fit your specific business needs, whether it's adding modules, customizing workflows, or integrating with other tools. Customization and flexibility is a good option. Is its priority? Now, since Odoo CRM is a part of the larger Odoo ecosystem, you can easily integrate it with other business functions like accounting, inventory, or project management. This helps create a seamless flow of information across departments, so it will give you an integrated suite. Now, compared to other CRM systems, Odoo is generally more affordable. There's a free version available and the paid plans start at a reasonable price point. You only pay for the features and modules you need, so it is affordable. Now, Odoo's interface is modern and user-friendly, which makes it easy to get started without a steep learning curve. The dashboards are customizable, so you can quickly track sales, activities, and performance, so the user interface is pretty good. Now, some cons of Odoo include little bit complexity for new users. Also, some users report that customer support can be slow or lacking at times, especially when you're using the free version. For more in-depth support, you might need to upgrade and hire third-party help. Also, the free version is pretty basic and many important features such as marketing, automation or detailed reporting are only available with paid plans. So if you need more than just basics, you'll have to pay. Also, while Odoo integrates with many apps, some users have reported challenges when it comes to integrating it with certain third-party platforms. If you have complex integrations needs, this might be something to keep in mind. Now, let's talk about pricing. So, Odoo offers basic and free version of its CRM with limited features that is perfect for startups or small businesses on tight budget. Now, pricing starts at $20 per user per month, but this increases depending on the number of modules or advanced features you need. So for a fully featured CRM with integrations, the price can go up to $50 or more per user per month. So who should use Odoo CRM? Odoo CRM is a great option for businesses that need flexible and customizable CRM solution at a competitive price. While it might take some time to set up, especially if you are new to CRMs, the benefits of integration and scalability are huge. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, subscribe and drop any questions or comments below. And I will see you in the next video.